Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to customize notifications in Google Messages. First I want you to make sure that you have the last version of Google Messages so you can follow me clearly, and then after that I want you to go into your app. So let's dive in. Tap on it, and right here I want you to go on the top right side into your profile picture of Google. So tap on it, and then I want you to look for the second last option, message settings. Tap, and right here as you can see there are too many options. So what we are going to choose is the second one, notifications. Tap on notifications, and right here you can customize your notifications as well as you'd love to. So you can tap on show notifications to make it on, and after that you can adjust too much or customize too much settings on the notifications of your Google Messages. So you can allow notifications budgets and also floating. You can lock screen notifications, plain sounds, vibration, etc. So it depends to you how you want to make your notifications, or how you'd love your notifications be. And also from here you can change the background tasks of your notifications. You can adjust or customize some settings just from here, and the spam protection, and you can go into the other notifications and set them up as you want. Anyways guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe the video, and share it with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.